What is your name?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? I am from England.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? I live near here.
How old are you?
How old are you? I'm 10 years old.
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living? I'm a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one sister.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
Do you have breakfast every day?
Do you have breakfast every day?
What do you usually have for lunch?
What do you usually have for lunch?
How do you go to work?
How do you go to work?
How was your day?
How was your day?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
What do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
Do you like watching movies?
Do you like watching movies?
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Do you like coffee or tea?
Do you like coffee or tea?
Do you speak any other languages?
Do you speak any other languages?
Do you like sports?
Do you like sports?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
How is the weather today?
How is the weather today?
Is it cold outside?
Is it cold outside?
Do you like your neighborhood?
Do you like your neighborhood?
How How much time do you spend on your phone?
How much time do you spend on your phone?
Do you like cooking at home?
Do you like cooking at home?
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now? The cat sat on the mat.
Are you busy today?
Are you busy today?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Do you understand me?
Do you understand me?
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
Is everything okay?
Is everything okay?
Are you ready to start?
Are you ready to start?